Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be planning for the week of January 10th through the 16th in my horizontal planner, which I use in theory to hand letter inspirational quotes as kind of a safe place to practice my hand lettering. I haven't gotten back into that yet, but I keep decorating the weeks knowing that at some point I'm going to find some time, it's just been busy with the holidays, to go ahead and get back into hand lettering, and I can slowly work my way back through the weeks. So anyway, the theme I'm going with, National Science Fiction Day, was January 2nd, but it inspired the Facebook group that I'm one of the leaders of. It's Happy Planning Tips and Tricks, and our theme for this week is sci-fi or favorite genre, and that is in celebration of, it was inspired by Science Fiction Day being January 2nd. So you don't have to do sci-fi. It doesn't have to be movie. It could be music. It could be book. But it's whatever genre you like. It could be romance. It could be horror. Whatever you like. So I have these 2 pages of weird little alien robot looking dudes that I have had in my stash for literally years, you guys. These were freebies I got. It was either during a planner meetup back before COVID, or it was during an advent calendar swap that I did a few years ago. Anyway, they've been sitting in my swap box, and since COVID, I haven't been to any kind of a planner meetup, big or small, in more than 2 years. I remembered they were in there, and I was like, oh, those would be so cool to use. There are a couple with a little bit of yellow, so we're going to do little clusters of these, but they need something, right? And so when I think of like alien landscape kind of stuff, the book that immediately jumped to mind was the Stargazer book, which, yes, this was a Planner Girl book, and it is several years old, so it's a little bit of a unicorn probably. You're not going to be able to get a hold of it, but these little gemstones that are in here, oh my gosh, I was like, that can be part of their alien landscape. They can be peeking out of that. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is throw just a tiny bit of white out on notes and this week. And then we'll look for, as usual, I always start, my highest priority is camouflaging that white out. So let's look for, and this book, you guys, I had, I was just getting into I was less than 2 years into Happy Planner when this came out. So I used to get all the things. And so I have the combo sticker pack in here. And then I have the mini and the regular, so I've got all the things. Here we go. So we're definitely going to use these. Even though there's no yellow in these, I think they'll be okay. I'm just going to use lots of colors, and the colors of the robots will help dictate that. We'll definitely use at least one of these yellow guys, maybe 2. But for right now, I'm definitely looking for something for there. So these could work. Wild and free, just go with the flow. I feel like the adventure is just as important as the destination. Caught in a life is magical. You are stellar. That's good. I like that because I feel like that fits with like the alien outer space kind of a thing. So we're just going to start. I'm just going to start by putting, and then we'll see if we can find some who to attribute the quotes to boxes in there. So I'm just going to start by putting this right here, down low enough to cover, high enough to cover the whiteout, but as low as possible, if that makes any sense. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to build little clusters, I think, with those gemstone stickers and the robots. Okay, so I've got black and purple there. Wow. Oh, there's a bunch of these guys. Okay, so I'm going to put, oh, wow, this is going to be cute, you guys. This is going to be super cute. I'm going to put him there. And let's pick little gemstones that are not this color. So let's pick this. red bunch. With another alien. I'm just gonna try to mix the colors up a little bit. So maybe a guy with some green. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so stinking cute already. And I just started. And I never thought I would use these stickers. Since he's white and these are clear, I want to just tuck him under that edge. There. Perfect. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Before I forget, I see these two strips. Well, I guess they're not strips. They're all separate. These little stars. So we'll use those too. Okay, let's come over here. And actually, I need to find something. I would use these florals, the weird alien looking florals, but I actually have a way that I like to use those. So I'm gonna kind of stay away from those. But maybe I need, oh, right there. Let's use these for my attribute boxes. Or who to attribute boxes. Oh my gosh, why can't I say that word? So let's see, let's do green. Let's start with green here. Maybe I'll stick an alien over that tiny little spot of white out, but I wanted to pick the box, so let's do a red dude. Let's do a red dude. I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna do a red and, oh, look at this purple guy. Let's see, I'm doing green. I'm just gonna work my way across a row, you guys, I think. And I'm gonna put this way up under Sunday. And then let's give them some, so they got those weird little, I'm gonna put some stars on there. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's put a little clump of stars on there. So it looks all spacey. And maybe, let's do some gems too. These. So they're not too pronounced. So cute. All right, now we're gonna come over here. And I think I wanna use a slightly bigger clump of gems. Let's use the green and blue ones. And then I think I want to have a guy kind of coming out from behind him. And this guy. And let's put some more stars. I'm liking the stars with them. I like the clumps of stars. Let's do pink. Yeah. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Another box, I think. Let's do a pink one. And then I think this time to change it up a little, I'm going to put the box down low and build a little cluster, and I'll also put my florals opposite. And then let's build the little cluster kind of up on top of it. So there's a dude. I think I want gems in between the two little dudes this time. So let's do purple. That looks like an alien landscape. How about this guy with the big blue eyes? And some stars. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know why, I just love it. Okay, let's do a box down here and build the cluster on top of it again. So I have purple there. Let's put blue here, and then we'll save the purple one for maybe here, 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 here. Okay, I'm just going to pull this purple one while I'm on the page. Park it on the back of my hand. Come back to my gemstone page. Okay. I think I want to do a big clump kind of here with a couple aliens in front of it this time. Let's do, there's my big hit of pink. So let's do let's do this bunch. Kind of a medium-sized bunch. Actually, nope. You know what? I want the big bunch because it's going to be right near the discs. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, now a couple dudes. I like this guy. Ooh, I haven't put a yellow one on there yet. Let's put a yellow one on there because his legs match those weird little florals. He's gonna be in front. And then how about this guy? Use that whole row. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay. This one. So since that one's down low, I'm going to put this one up high. I know I'm kind of jumping around. And then let's put another big bunch of crystals, but let's make them clear. Let's go with these. Oh, those are purple too. Let's do these. Okay, I love this guy with the kind of purple ombre face, but do I want to put him with a purple box? How about another one of these guys since I have so many? Ooh, there's a purple one. Again, purple and purple though. These guys are so cute. I mean, how about red? He's kind of red. We'll use this guy. I wish I could give credit to whoever made these. I don't remember. Okay, so we're going to come over here. I definitely want some stars on this one. Let's do 2 bunches of stars. And then I think if I can, let's put a cluster of crystals here in the middle with a guy on either side. Like maybe they're harvesting them or something fancy like that. So let's go with this purple bunch. I'm going to put it up a little higher and then my guys can be coming in. So how about a green, one of these green dudes? And did I use a yellow dude yet? I did right there. Okay. Anybody else got even a little bit of yellow? This guy kind of has a little bit of yellow. I kind of want one more, you guys. I want this guy. I haven't used one of him yet. I see another one of these spreads in my future. Okay. There we go. One here. So no more attribute box. I feel like I should use at least one of those flowers though, you know? One of these weird guys. Should I? I wish you guys could talk to me. Oh, there's more stars. Yeah, let's just stick with the gemstones. But I think I want to do 2 clusters. So we'll do one of these. Kind of, let's put it up. Kind of up. And then I want one of these really tiny ones. Down. And some stars. Why not? Let's do pink. Pink's super different. Yeah. And then I really want to use these guys with like the purple. So, and this guy. Look at him. He's kind of like floating. I think I want to move this over a little bit. There's more space there than I need. It did start to rip my page a little bit, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to put an alien dude over the rip, and then we'll put these on, and then we'll put one more alien in there. This guy looks like Mr. Potato Head. I like him. Let's put him on there. There. There! There's my sci-fi inspired spread, you guys. I really like it. I want to put, I think, just a little bit of stuff up there. So we'd put a few stars up there, you know. And you know what I could have used also as attribute boxes? These are white. Or white, they're paper. So I could have used those, but that's okay. There's always next time. Let's put some of these gems up there somewhere. I'm just wondering if I have room for robots up there. Or if that'll make it look too crowded, you know? Don't want any of these. Too bad that none of them are horizontal. I'm kind of like, do I want to hide any? Nah, I think it's good. I think that's okay. So there we go. There is my horizontal spread for my hand lettered inspirational quotes with a sci-fi as my favorite genre, which I love sci-fi and I love horror. So either one would work for me. But I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to you get some inspiration from the different challenges that are out there. Ours, I'm the owner of our challenge and I absolutely adore challenges, as you guys know. So I will be doing it for a very long time to come. So please look forward to that. I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.